Om Sai Ram. The story of Akrura, devotee of Lord Krishna. Akrura, though not a popularly known mythology character, but he stood as an example for pure love and devotion towards God. He is an inspiration to human and he showed the pure mad devotion towards Lord Krishna. Akrura's presence was very little in the Bhagavata, but the impact created by him was huge and he stood as an example for pure devotion towards God. Akrura was the commander-in-chief of the Vrishni dynasty, ruled by Kamsa, and as said above, he is a great devotee of Lord Krishna. He was a Yadava and uncle of Sri Krishna. He was son of Swapalka and Gandhini. It was he who took Krishna and Balram to Mathura when Krishna broke the great bow. He is chiefly noted as being the holder of Shyamantaka gem. Among all devotees whose hearts and entire being are filled with love and devotion to Krishna, the gopis, Uddhava, Akrura stand foremost in the Bhagavata Purana. But the case of Akrura sends a strong message to all devotees that even the most devout can change owing to the vagaries of time and prarabdha karma. Akrura's first meeting with Krishna shows him to be a realized soul who recognizes his paratva. Even though he was in the service of Kamsa, Akrura had always yearned for Krishna. He was very well aware of Kamsa's plan to invite Krishna to Mathura under the pretext of a yagna and then try to kill him. But when he was entrusted with the task of escorting Krishna and Balram to Mathura, Akrura's entire being is delighted with the chance to see Krishna, the object of his love and devotion. He gets ready to go to Ayarpadi. His mind travels faster than the chariot, and during the entire journey, his thoughts are merged with the Lord. He already has a preview of the darshan of the Lord he is going to have. As he enters Vrindavan, Akrura jumps down from the chariot and rolls on the ground where the divine feet of Krishna had walked day in and day out. This is one of the examples for the divine devotion to God. Akrura could identify God's footprints on the sand. He was overwhelmed by the experience and attained bliss stage. Later, when Krishna blesses him with his divine vision, Akrura's joy knew bounds. He felt overjoyed for having assigned the work of escorting Krishna and Balram to Mathura from Vrindavan. Akrura was aware of the evil plans of Kamsa, and hence on their way to Mathura, he stopped the chariot and warned Krishna and Balram to be careful. He then went to take a dip in the holy waters of the river Yamuna. To his astonishment, when he dipped his head in the river, he saw various divine forms of Krishna and Balram in the water. He was completely bewildered. When he turned and looked at the chariot, parked a little away from the river bank, he saw both of them sitting there. He thought it was just hallucination and then took a dip again. This time, he saw Lord Krishna in his complete divine Vishwarupa form. Akrura could not believe that he had been blessed by the Lord in such a unique manner by having gotten to see his supernatural power and form. Getting Vishwarupa darshan was very rare, and only very few devotees like Arjuna were blessed with such darshan. Krishna has always blessed and looked up to every individual who has loved and devoted himself to him. His love is so intense that just a pure thought of him is enough to drive you towards him and get blessed in return. All you need is a pure soul and unconditional love for the Lord. Lesson understood from the character Akrura. Akrura showed relentless love and devotion towards Lord Krishna even though he was with Krishna's enemy Kamsa. Akrura was under the impression that Krishna might not be aware of his devotion as he was with Krishna's opponent camp. But Lord Krishna knows about his pure devotees wherever they are. Baba too knows his pure devotees wherever and whatever place they are located. Hence, we are, whatever we are, we should devote ourselves to Almighty Baba. Akrura had not asked anything to Lord. Lord Krishna gave his divine Vishwarup darshan. Afterwards, Bhagavan has given only such darshan to Arjuna. Getting Vishwarup darshan was hardest one, but as an appreciation of Akrura's purest devotion, Lord Krishna himself had given such darshan. Even Arjuna asked for Vishwarup. Likewise, if we show relentless towards Baba, relentless devotion and love towards our lovely Baba, he knows that what to give us and will give the best to us. According to him, he will bless us and give whatever we deserve. Sai Satcharitra is a medium through which we can reach Baba. Let us sincerely read the Satcharitra and be a loved devotee of Baba. Jai Sai Ram. Allah Malik.